Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new episode. I hope you guys have had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year to all of you. And in today's episode guys, we've got a brand new build. It's sat right next to me and I'm gonna let you guys see it. I'm not even gonna mess about. Let's go check it out. There you have it guys, it's a 2017 BMW 218 diesel, automatic, it's fully loaded and I want to show you. Let's go check it out. So first, we're getting stuck into the damage. The headlights are completely shot, have a look at that. So first thing, I can tell I need the headlight. Front bumper is a complete mess, so I'm going to need a complete bumper like that. But this is where it gets a bit juicy guys, have a look at this. I don't want to just rip it off quite yet. But that's the air box, and also that's my rads. So the complete rad pack is completely bent. If you look inside there, if you look down there, you can see some more damage underneath there. It's going to be interesting when I tear down the complete front end and see what the chassis legs, the engine, face of the engine and everything else. I want to see what kind of state that is in, but from what I can see, it's sustained a light frontal impact. Passenger side headlight is gone as well. These are all broken in terms of the plastic, but what's good is I can literally just unplug all of these computers and modules that come with the headlights and I can put them onto my new headlights. So I'm not really worried about that. Like I said, I need a complete front bumper. Look at all the front end, it's completely smashed, but I've still got my grills, I've still got my fog lights. I just need to get a pair of front top grills for the bumper. Whatever bumper I do get, just check a look at these guys. I didn't even realize that until now. It's got front parking sensors. Let's check out the bonnet. The bonnet looks all right at first glance. However, I can see, if you look at the side, you can see it's kind of curved up and down. I won't risk, and I don't know if you can see the ripples, but I can see the ripples to indicate that it's got a big bend right across the front. So I won't waste time trying to repair that. I'll just order in a new bonnet. Let's continue around. The wheels, they look all right. Tires, they look all right. They're just a little bit dirty, so I'll be cleaning up all four wheels at some point. My wing panels, it's got some light damage at the front, but they're savable. I can repair them. Going around this side, it's not a lot of damage. It's just a bit dirty. On the back, it's completely clean. No issues there. Headlights are all right. Everything's all right. There's the 218D. Let me know if I should take these off, guys, down below. I need to get the key to open that. Moving on to this side. Once again, no damage there. Coming along, still got no damage. Got these lovely M Sports stickers on the side. Now we can test the boot. Let's see what is inside the boot. Oh my god, like, you cannot write this. There's a bloody toaster in the boot. You can't write this. Toast, anyone? So there's a toaster, there's some kids' toys, and there's some baby wipes. But more importantly, everything down there looks nice and clean, no damage whatsoever. It doesn't look like it's been tampered with. All the lights work, everything works. Have a look at the rear end, guys. I think it's a really nice rear end on this car. Have a look at that. Very nice. Now, this is an old school thing that I really learned, guys. When you start a car and you feel on the exhaust, it's not hot. If there's water coming out the exhaust, which it is, have a look at that, it's normally a good sign. You don't want to see any oil. That dark stuff is a bit of smut that's coming out, but you don't want to see any oil or any kind of anything other than condensation and water coming out the rear. That tells you that the engine is breathing very well and it's doing its job very well. Look at these lovely LED rear lights on him as well. And I always like to double check around to see what else is in there. Whoever had this on Copart has still had some outstanding finance on it. And when you order cars on Copart that's got outstanding finance, as soon as you pay, they give you this order to prove that the finance and everything was all paid off. So I'm happy to know that. Stick that all in there. And guys, that's it for the damage and the outside of the car, but it's inside of the car where this car really excels. So I want to show you guys the interior. Let's check it out. And immediately you can see that lovely cream interior. It's just got some slight little marks and stuff on it, but it's in actually very good condition. Have a look at the back. Once again, it's in great condition. And cream leather is notorious for getting dirty, but I am happy with that. And that's one of the first things that drew me to this when I saw it on the auctions, guys. It's just a little bit dirty, so I need to clean it. It came with the key. Here's the key fob right there. I'll be putting on my Salvage Nation jet tag onto that one. And guys, you are finding out all of this with me. I literally got this car delivered about an hour and a half ago. I've been busy doing other things. And if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen when I got this car delivered because I was very excited. However, I want to continue showing you the interior of the car. So it's an automatic, 6-gear automatic. It's got the navigation pack. It's got the BMW Connect pack. Now, it's telling me that the bonnet is open because the bonnet locks and everything on the front is damaged. The engine does start and it does have coolant inside, so I'm hoping that it's not too bad. And I'll give it a start for you guys. So there you go. So it is a runner. Now it's saying that the coolant is low, but I know for a fact there's enough coolant inside. It drives. Stick it in reverse. See, we have movement. Stick it in park, it goes in, stick it in drive, and there we have it. We have movement, guys. Another thing I really like is you've got this sports and eco button, and this is for the suspension and the drive side of things. So if I press the sports button, let's see what happens. Have a look at that, guys. Everything is just, these new models of BMWs, they've upgraded everything. My 325, which is in the garage getting fixed at the moment, it's got this, but it's more of a bird's eye view. This is more of a 3D view. I really like that. Check that out. So I put it in sports mode. You can put it in eco mode and sports plus. I had a Mercedes that I rebuilt on this channel, and when you put it in sports plus, the whole engine, everything will change. But yeah, definitely same thing is happening here. Radio works. So it's got the MBT system, it's got the connected drive. It's really a lot faster than my 325. I've got an LCI 325i. If you haven't seen it, guys, I'll put the card up above. It's got a similar system, the CIC system, but they've really sped it up with all of this. I was hoping that it had heated seats, and it actually has got heated seats, so that's another bonus. So it's got the front parkers, the rear parkers, the heated seats. Nothing else that's inside. Like I said, it's just really dirty, guys. Whoever had the car before, I don't know what that is in there. It's really rank. The parts that I'm looking out for, it's really clean. Look at that steering wheel. It's very clean on the steering wheel as well. Horn still works. It's got Bluetooth. It's got everything, guys. Fully loaded. I want to check the lights to see what is actually going on with them. So we'll check it out. So as you can see, even though the headlights are broken, they're still working. So that's a good sign that the bulbs are right. That's a good sign that the computers and the modules that are connected to the car is all good, and the headlights, I can easily transfer them over to my new headlights. Guys, I'm going to be giving away a lot of Salvage Nation merch for this build. If you can guess the price of how much I paid for this car after fees, you know I love to do this giveaway. I'll be giving away 2 jet tags, a his and a hers, to 5 lucky people. Make sure you're subscribed and comment down below how much you think I paid for this car after the fees. As usual, I'll be getting it repaired at H&A Autos. They do all of my cars. And just let me know what you think down below. Another thing that I've realized, guys, is the suspension is completely fine. It looks completely fine. I've jacked it up. I've had a look around. I've had Zaffa come and have a look around as well. The suspension is completely fine on the car. And all in all, guys, it looks like very, very minor damage. Zaffa, what do you think? Minor damage?
Minor damage, my friend. We're gonna change front panel, 2 headlight, radiator pack, every bonnet. We're gonna repair it. We can repair the bonnet.
Yeah.
Front bumper. That's it.
That's it.
Next week on the road.
We're aiming to have this car in 1 week back on the road. Yes, cousin. Right. I'm okay. You're holding up traffic, man. Guys, on the new 2 Series, they normally come twin turboed, and have a look at that. So it's twin turbo power from BMW. It's a very small engine, but they've crammed quite a lot of power into them, and that's one of the things that I can't wait to test. I want to take this for a first test drive and really test it out to see what's the power saying on this particular car. I'm looking around. I can't see any obvious damage other than what we can see already. There's no crazy leaks, there's no oil leaks, there's no water leaks. Still got a bit of coolant inside like that. Have a look at that. So that's why I was running the car, guys. I've made sure that there's enough coolant to be running the car, so I'm not running it without any coolant. I need to buy a new front panel, and then we can bodywork this part of the frame, put it back into the correct measurements and the correct alignments. Once I've stripped down everything off the front, I would know exactly what I need to do. So guys, now that I know there's enough coolant, I want to take it for a drive. I'm just going to take it down the road, come back. I want to see what it feels like. Let's go. So it's got the keyless start. It hasn't got keyless entry, but it's got keyless start. I just want to check the gearbox. Guys, I'm not just doing this for fun. I just want to give it a little roll down the, literally just down the road right here. I want to see what the gearbox is like. I want to see if it's going into gear, coming out of gear, and that will give me an indication of the extent of the damage. If there's any major issues, then it really wouldn't be rolling and going into gear and stuff. So let's go.
See now.
Guys, it feels very, very nice. It's driving very, very smoothly. It's just gone through about 3 gears so far, and that's it. See what's going on. The wheels seem pretty straight. It's making a noise because my bonnet is open, so that's all.
See, go back in here.
And that's it. Now I know my car's driving. I can be very excited. Guys, are you not excited? Are you not entertained, guys? I am so excited with this build. Now I know it drives, everything. I've got big plans for 2021, guys. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Let's see what else we can get into. So guys, that's gonna be it for showing you around this car. This episode is strictly just about showing you guys around, explaining to you what's happened. It's delivery day today, and in the next episode, we'll be tearing down the front end and trying to get to the bottom of exactly what is going on with this car. I want to really get to the back of the rad pack. I want to see the extent of the damage in the rad packs and everything, and really get an idea of exactly what I need to go and where I need to go. So guys, if you're interested to find out what is happening with this car, what's happening with my 3 Series, all these other cars. Guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and make sure if you like that content, give me a thumbs up. And like I always say, guys, keep it moving, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.